Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the Philips Gradient Floor Lamp, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Philips Gradient Floor Lamp, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. How to pair. To pair the Philips Hue Signe Gradient Floor Lamp, first plug in the lamp and ensure it is powered on. Open the Philips Hue app, go to Settings, select Lights, and tap Add Light. The app will automatically search for nearby Hue lights. Once the Signe Gradient Floor Lamp is detected, select it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. For Bluetooth pairing, open the Hue Bluetooth app, search for the lamp, and connect directly from your smartphone. After pairing, you can customize colors, brightness, scenes, and control the lamp using the app, Hue Bridge, or compatible voice assistants such as Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Smart features? Experience smooth color transitions with multiple shades displayed together, creating a dynamic and immersive lighting atmosphere. Control your lamp effortlessly with schedules, remote access, and voice commands. Create smart routines and adjust lighting automatically for any moment. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Philips Gradient Floor Lamp. See you in the next one.